Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OKX in the United States. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the URL for OKX in the address bar. Press the Enter key to load the OKX homepage. Once the homepage loads, locate the Login button on the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you have two options. You can log in using your email address or your phone number. If you choose to log in with your email, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you prefer logging in with your phone number, select that option. Enter your registered phone number in the appropriate field. Then, input your password as well. Once you have filled in your login details, check to ensure everything is correct. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to verify your identity. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS, depending on your setup. Enter the verification code in the required field on the login page. Click the Login button to complete the process. You should now be logged into your OKX account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. If you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, consider resetting your password. Now you are ready to explore the features of OKX. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.